Welcome to Cars Trends, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into a car that has redefined the compact performance coupe segment with its thrilling driving dynamics and unmistakable style, the 2025 BMW M2. As part of BMW's iconic M series, the M2 has earned a reputation as the purest expression of BMW's motorsport DNA, and the 2025 model elevates that legacy to new heights. Whether you're an enthusiast seeking exhilarating performance or someone who appreciates the art of precision engineering, the 2025 BMW M2 promises to deliver a driving experience like no other. Let's get started. The 2025 BMW M2 has undergone subtle yet meaningful design updates, blending aggression with sophistication. Staying true to its compact coupe roots, the M2 features a wide, muscular stance with flared fenders, signaling its performance pedigree. At the front, the large kidney grilles are flanked by aggressive, angular LED headlights, which give the car an imposing look on the road. BMW has also enhanced the aerodynamics of the 2025 M2. The front bumper now features larger air intakes to channel air efficiently into the cooling system, while a reworked rear diffuser improves downforce. The signature quad exhaust tips remain a defining feature, providing both visual and auditory thrills. The M2's profile is marked by sharp character lines and 19-inch lightweight forged wheels as standard, with the option for 20-inch wheels finished in jet black or bicolor. The car sits lower than its standard 2 Series counterpart, giving it a purposeful look and improved handling dynamics. Buyers can choose from an array of bold colors, including the stunning Toronto Red Metallic, Zandvoort Blue, and the classic Alpine White. Carbon fiber roof panels are available, not only adding a premium touch but also reducing the car's center of gravity for better performance. The interior of the 2025 BMW M2 combines luxury with a focus on the driving experience. The cockpit is driver-centric, with all controls and displays angled slightly toward the driver for maximum ease of use. The M-specific seats offer exceptional support, ensuring comfort during spirited drives while holding you firmly in place during cornering. These seats are upholstered in premium merino leather, with optional carbon bucket seats for an even sportier touch. A standout feature of the M2's interior is BMW's latest curved display, which combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The system runs on BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 software, offering an intuitive interface, vibrant graphics, and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting allows drivers to customize the cabin atmosphere, with options for a range of colors. The steering wheel is wrapped in soft leather and features M-specific controls, such as programmable buttons for quick access to your preferred driving modes. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed either. The 2025 M2 offers 2 rear seats, which, while compact, are usable for short trips. The trunk provides a surprising amount of storage space for a performance coupe, making the M2 versatile enough for daily driving or weekend road trips. The heart of the 2025 BMW M2 is a 3.0-liter twin turbocharged inline-6 engine derived from the larger M3 and M4 models. This powerplant produces a thrilling 453 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, ensuring the M2 is more than capable of delivering hair-raising acceleration. Paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic, the M2 caters to both purists and those who prefer convenience. The M2 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds with the automatic transmission, while the manual variant does it in a slightly slower yet equally exciting 4.1 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but opting for the M driver's package raises it to an exhilarating 177 miles per hour. BMW's engineers have fine-tuned the chassis for maximum agility. The adaptive M suspension constantly adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a balance between comfort and performance. The active M differential optimizes power delivery to the rear wheels, providing incredible traction and stability even during aggressive cornering. To complement its performance, the M2 is equipped with M compound brakes, which deliver exceptional stopping power. Buyers can also opt for carbon ceramic brakes for those who plan to take their M2 to the track. The 2025 BMW M2 is equipped with an impressive array of technology designed to enhance both performance and convenience. The M Drift Analyzer allows drivers to measure and analyze their drifting skills, making it a favorite among enthusiasts who enjoy pushing the car to its limits. Safety features include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. The M traction control system lets drivers adjust the level of intervention from the stability control system, giving them greater control over the car's behavior. The head-up display projects essential driving information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay focused on the road. Additionally, the Harman Kardon premium audio system ensures an immersive listening experience, whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or enjoying the symphony of the inline-six engine. Despite its focus on performance, the 2025 BMW M2 remains surprisingly practical. The compact size makes it easy to maneuver in urban environments, while the comfortable interior and range of tech features make it a joy to live with on a daily basis. The rear seats can be folded to expand cargo space, making the M2 capable of carrying luggage, groceries, or even a set of golf clubs. The 2025 BMW M2 holds a unique position in the sports car market. With a starting price of around $63,000, it offers a level of performance and luxury that rivals cars costing significantly more. Competitors like the Porsche Cayman and Audi TT RS may offer similar thrills, but the M2's combination of practicality, technology, and pure driving joy sets it apart. The 2025 BMW M2 is a true driver's car, combining thrilling performance, advanced technology, and everyday usability in a way that few cars can match. It's a testament to BMW's dedication to delivering the ultimate driving experience, making it a worthy addition to the legendary M lineup. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 BMW M2, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Cars Trends for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about the M2. Is it the ultimate compact performance car? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.